So we're going to go into this toolbox because I'm curious to see what's in this toolbox. And you might be too. Add a timestamp, because otherwise I'll never know what you're talking about. If you say, oh, it's this, I don't know what this is unless you give me the time that it's on. So let's go through this. Okay, well, it doesn't look like too much stuff is in here. See, oh, here's a handle. Here's a handle. That's good. I don't know what this would go to, actually. Let me see something real quick. Here is another handle. Don't know what that goes to. Let me check real quick. Okay. Well, oh, hang on. Okay, I know what that handle goes to. That handle there goes to the vise. This handle here also will fit on that vise, but it will also fit on the back of the machine where the shaft goes through. And I don't know why you would need to manually turn that anyway, but whatever. Well, that's it. Not much stuff in here. Here's some holding things, but these are way too big for this machine. I'm getting those in there. Here's some holding things. Let's see. Copper tube, which I think I might have an idea what I might do with that. If I can, I don't know. Here's another T-slot. I think that's what they're called, T-slots. I don't think that one will fit. Let me check. No, that don't fit. That's too big too, so I don't know what that is, what that was from. A wrench in here, a 3/8 wrench. I don't know what that would go to on this. I have no idea. What's this? Looks like, oh, it's a paint card. Here is a brass and another brass thing. These look like vice jaws. I don't know if you can see. Them look like vice jaws. What's this? This could be interesting. This could be interesting. It's a Kennedy toolbox. Oh, right. Other blueprints, vertical attachment spindle blueprints. Not that I know how to read this, but apparently this is blueprints to make a vertical head for that, to make it a vertical mill. That's cool. Apparently he never got around to doing that, to making that. But nevertheless, pretty cool. Okay. I don't know what's in here. What do you think is in here? What do you think is in here? The only thing, I would hope they would be more cutting gears, or more cutters. I could only hope that, and yes, that's what they are. Decent. That one looks brand new. This one's okay. This one's broken. It's broken right there. That's a shame. This, I know what kind of cutting gear this is. This is, I think this is a like a saw blade like thing. We got a big one here. Maybe this is a saw blade. This is another nice cutter. And I believe this is a saw. I'm not sure what that other one is because that's pretty thick, but this one I believe would be like a more like a saw. It's pretty thin. And we have some bushings and some nuts and bolts. This is another T. I think this one fits. Another T. I think this one fits. That one fits. So I got one of that. Okay, one more thing. Let me put these back. See, like, I don't know what I would use this for. So if you guys know what I would use this cutter for, it's got an angle on it, let me know. Because I don't know. This one, I believe, this one's just flat all the way across. I think probably this one would be just one to cut flat surface like this, right? I think that's what this would be for. I'm not sure. This. I really don't know what that would be used for. It's like the other one, but it's thicker, so maybe it is. Maybe it is like a saw blade. Man, I think this was I almost want to say this might have been a gear cutter, but I don't know. It's a shame it's broken, but not to fear. My friend that I bought this stuff from, he has hundreds of these things, if not thousands of these things, for all different kinds of mills and stuff. This, I think, is also kind of like that other one that I showed you, but it's a little bit different. I think. I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. Okay, that's all that's in there. Okay. Oh, wait. I do got another one. Oh, no. I put that one back. Okay, and the last thing I got here, which I'm guessing what that bigger handle goes to, this one, I think it goes to this. There's another vise in there. No wonder that thing's so heavy. So, yep, that's what that one's for. So I'll probably tear into that sometime and oil it up. It's a bigger vise. And that's cool. 'Cause that's decent. Yeah, they don't go to this, but these things don't go to this place. I think they go to this one here. Almost guarantee it. They sure do. They sure do. That's cool. Oh, can't forget. Here's a kind of a messed up bit. They think it's messed up. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, this vise is pretty smooth, so I'll oil that up. It'll be really smooth when I get done with it. So, gonna put this handle on that other vise. So I know where it's at. So I guess you saw everything. So I guess that will conclude this video, this movie. And yes, I did level this out. If you're wondering, I did level it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good this way, but not so great this way. And I used a machinist level, so I mean, you just lean on it and it's gonna move. So, but I got it this way, damn dead on, but this way's a little was a little bit off on a machinist level. If you put a regular level on it, it's the bubble will be right in the middle. So, good enough for what I'm gonna do. Okay, well, thanks for watching the movie. Leave a comment, like I said, if you know any of them cutting gears, cutting gears. I think I say gears because that's what they look like. Any of those cutters, what they are and what they're used for, let me know. Even the one that is on the machine itself, let me get a close-up on that because I'm not really sure what you would use that one for. And that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching. I go now.